Hello guys and welcome back to the new video. Today I'll show you how you can make perfect sound design for your motion graphics videos. We are in the CapCut, so I'll show you two compositions with sound design, what I use and how I use it, and also I'll show you and tell what types and styles of sound design can you use and what sources also you can use for find these sound effects. So let's have a look at this video and I'll show you what sound effects I used. There are not too many sound effects as you can see, so let's have a look. So it's very easy. By the way, if you want me to show about how I made this animation, you can also ask me and I'll show you in the next video. So what we have hit brutal puncher, so just the hit sound. Also we have basic swoosh and cracking door also. If you don't know how to use CapCut, but I guess a lot of guys already used it, but maybe you will need tutorial for it, I can also make it, so you can ask me in the comments also. This program is very easy to understand, so nothing too special. So guys, as you can see, when our door stomps, I use this sound effect, it named hit. So it stomps in this way and another one. And here we have two hits and it looks and sounds perfect. And also cracking door that I used in this part of video. But guys, anyway, you will have your own animation. I just want you to show the process what you will basically use in your own way. So right guys, now let me tell you about types and styles of sound effects. By the way, if you're the beginner and you don't have your own folder with these sound effects, I highly recommend you to find this for the first time. So what about types? There we have swoosh, swish, different transitions, hit, impact, win, rise, maybe success also. So also rise, time travel. Probably guys, there could be much more, but this one are the main. So highly recommend you to find them in the first time. Also styles of sound effects you can see here. There are UE, smooth, cinematic, sci-fi, calm, and positive and negative. All of these types and styles you can find on different resources, but guys, personally I use Pixabay. You can use Envato elements or Epidemic Sound as well, so never mind what you use, you just need to find these sound effects what I told you recently. So they're also nothing too special, you just need to search for all the sound effects you need, just use these keywords, so anyway you will find them, and nothing too special also. So guys, what's the hardest thing about sound design? You need to find the high quality sound effects, and if you're beginner, you just need to put some efforts for find these sound effects for the first time if you haven't it yet. Yeah, so you just need to waste some time for fill your folder with sound effects, so you will just use it without searching it on the websites. Also guys, I highly recommend you to organize your sound effects when you download it from the website, because sometimes you can download the hit sound effect what will named like mix, kit, brutal and something like that, so you just need to know that it's hit, so you can just name it hit, hit 1, hit 2 for example, so you will just find it in your folder much more easier then you will just waste a lot of time for it. Alright guys, I hope I gave you some value with this tutorial. In the end of this video I want to ask you to put some likes on this video, also subscribe on my channel and write some comments if you want to know something else, or maybe you want me to show some another parts of this animation you've seen before, or any different tutorials about After Effects as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much and sorry for my voice. Now I'm sick, so thank you so much and goodbye.